and welcome back to my channel. My name is Dina and I have been so busy this month. I have the results of a very interesting 30 days hair growth challenge. I know you're gonna love this video, so watch it until the end.
And as you know, I had to cut my hair and I did it. It cost me, but I did it. But you know, it still hurt because my hair was so very long. But anyways, I'm super happy that my hair feels better and healthier now. But I told you, I want those inches back. So in this video, I bring you the results of the hair growth challenge I made after cutting my hair 3 months ago. This challenge is about a superfood that I was very intrigued about. Moringa. It is widely used in hair growth remedies, and I began to investigate the properties and benefits of this ingredient. I started reading studies, articles, blogs, and watching videos about this ingredient. It seemed like it has a powerful potential that I couldn't wait to try for 30 days to see how good was it to accelerate the growth of my hair. Ready to see what Moringa can do for my hair? Let's get started! I'm gonna go ahead and prepare a Moringa tea. I'm gonna pour 2 cups of water in a pot and then add 2 tablespoons of Moringa powder. I'm using Moringa powder because I don't have fresh leaves, but we should have the same results, so don't worry and feel free to use the one you find. I'm gonna turn on the stove over high heat until it starts to boil. Once it starts boiling, I'm gonna go ahead and turn off the stove and let it cool. Then I'm gonna strain it well to avoid residues on the scalp. I'm using a strainer, which is a bad idea, okay? It's better to use a cheesecloth because, as you can see, there are still a lot of remain of Moringa leaves. At the end, what I did, wait for the little leaves to fall to the bottom of the glass and pass it to another glass. I'm gonna go ahead and transfer the tea I'm using today to a dropper or a spray bottle to facilitate the application and freeze up the rest to preserve it. We're gonna need 2 ice cubes every day for 30 days. I prepared 2 cups of Moringa tea, so I have for 7 days of application. This is my first time using Moringa every day on my hair, so I'm gonna go ahead and put my hair in a protective style as we do in every challenge. That is something that I highly recommend. Whenever you're going to try a new ingredient, it is important to put your hair in a protective style because even if the hair dries out for the treatment, since you're not going to be manipulating your hair during the challenge, there is no risk of breakage. Okay, let's go with the application. I'm gonna be applying my Moringa treatment directly on my scalp every single day for 30 days. You already know how this. After applying the treatment, I'm gonna massage my scalp for 1 minute to increase the blood flow on the scalp, and then I'm gonna put a plastic bag to produce heat and allow the follicles to open up and absorb all the nutrients that Moringa offer. Vitamin A, C, B complex, iron, magnesium, zinc, calcium, potassium, caffeine. Just 1 gram of Moringa contains twice the protein found in yogurt, 4 times the vitamin A found in a carrot, 3 times the amount of potassium found in a banana, and 4 times the amount of calcium found in dairy milk. This ingredient has me fascinated, guys, really.
Okay, let's take today's day and measure the hair to have a before and after. Let's record the screen recorder. Today's date. And as you can see, today is Tuesday, May 17, 2022. I always measure this side of my hair, but there are some people that ask me to measure another part of the hair. So yeah, this year we're gonna be working with the front part of my hair. Let's measure. Let me apply some gel to keep the hair straight. I'll take my measuring tape.
Okay guys, the hair is not totally even because of the way I cut it. I'm not going to cut more, so open your eyes and take notes of the measurement of the strand, because this time it will not be an exact number like in previous challenges. So here we see 35 centimeters. Let's see if it reaches 36. Okay, clearly it reaches 36. Let's see, 37. No, we don't have 37. I would say 36.5, but I never saw 0.5. So let's stay with 36 centimeters. You can stay with 36.5. We should have a clear difference between day 1 and day 30 in case this works. So yeah, let's do it like that. Something you have to know about moringa is that when you prepare a moringa tea, you have to use it the same day, because the next day it's not longer valid. It goes bad and it smells so bad. So if you're going to prepare for several days, keep it in the freezer in a nice mold. This way will be way better, because you only have to pop up 2 cubes a day, wait for it to thaw, and apply it. 2 cubes a day, it's more than enough for 1 day of application. Another thing you should know, moringa creates like a pasty mucilage that accumulates in the scalp. So it's very important that we wash our hair at least twice a week to keep the scalp clean and oxygenated. And as I was saying before guys, if the moringa smells bad from 1 day to the next, imagine a week in your hair. Horrible. If you can wash your hair like every day or every 2 to 3 days, even better.
I have to say that we are late, because I was supposed to finish this challenge on June 17 because we started on May 17, but it was not possible because there were some days I couldn't apply the moringa, so I had to recover those days, 7 days to be exact. Let's start with our process. Let's measure the hair, let's see today's date, and check the results.
Remember that the start of the challenge was on May 17, 2022, and I'm finishing on June 24, 2022, 37 days later. 7 days late. Sorry for that. And 2 months later is when I was able to sit down to edit the translation. Again, I'm really sorry for the delay. I'm studying and working a lot, and it was very difficult for me to edit the videos I had pending. Let's go ahead and measure the hair. On the left side of the screen, you have the measurement of day 1, and on the right, we're gonna be measuring the day 37. Let's see how it went. Okay, let's see. 36, 37, 38. This is looking good, guys. It seems that we're going to reach 39, and we did it!
Señores, qué guay!
The wait was long even for me, but it was worth it because we have fantastic results.
We are the champion, my friend.
Remember that my hair grows between 0.5 and 0.8 centimeters per month, and thanks to moringa I have achieved 2.5 centimeters, like 3 times faster. This table you're watching shows the result of every ingredient that I've tried so far. Moringa has not given me the best results, but it's among the best. For example, it is better than onion, better than ginger, and better than aloe vera. It's a great ingredient for hair growth.
Well guys, this is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like it, give me a thumbs up, comment down below any questions, suggestions you have. Have you tried moringa for a long period of time? What have been your results? I would like to know. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you can get notified every time I post a new video for massive hair growth. Love you all and see you guys in my next one. Bye!